Find the angle of least positive measure coterminal with an angle of negative 800 degrees. This problem tells us to find an angle, but it specifically tells us it wants a positive and a least positive. In this problem, that essentially means they want a positive number between 0 and 360 degrees. They're telling us that the range is answers between 0 and 360. Let's think about that. I can use the formula given angle plus the number of rotations times 360 degrees equals our new angle. Well, the given angle they've given me is negative 800. And I'm not quite sure how many rotations I'm going to have, but all I know is that my new angle is going to be between 0 and 360. Well, to simplify it, essentially what you're doing is you're just adding or subtracting 360 degrees. So if I add 360 degrees, I get negative 440. Class, does that meet my range?
No.
Nope. 60 again. Does that meet my range?
No.
So if I add 360 again, does that meet my range?
Yeah.
So our new angle is going to be 280 degrees. Well, let's count how many times I did that. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3.
So my end value is
3.
3 in the formula. Negative a plus 3 times 360 will give us 280 degrees. Remember, if that doesn't make sense to you, you can draw it out. Now, remember, here is 0 degrees, and a right angle is 90 degrees, right? They call this the quadrantals. So essentially, every time I move it from initial to a quadrantal, that's 90. So count with me. 0, 90, add 90 more, 180. So I know it's a little bit past 270, so my angle probably looks something like this. Do you see that? And because they're coterminal, this angle will end up, negative 800 will end up being where this position is 280 in quadrant 4.